Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the tangent line. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative for the both side of this one, and we have like this. So this one we have 2x, this one we have 2y, and first derivative of y. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. I just applied the power rule of derivative, that's why we have this one. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, x go to the right. We have negative x, and later that we divide both sides by y. Now, we can apply the formula of the tangent. So that should be about y equals to first derivative of y multiplied by x minus x number 0 plus y 0. So we have the point number 4 and number 3. So we put x equal to number 4, y equal to number 3 gone here. This one that is about the value of x. This one that is about number 3. So now we have negative 4 over 3x plus 16 over 3 plus number 3. So we calculate and simplify, and we have like this. So we can put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.